loud noises and intense odors cause headaches. Avoid exposure to loud and incontinuous noise as well as intense odors. These can also trigger migraines. Keep track of your symptoms and triggers of migraines. This can help you to determine the causes in your particular case, since various triggers affect individuals differently. You can prevent migraines through an orderly lifestyle, eating properly, getting plenty of rest, and lowering your stress levels. These are lifestyle changes we all can make that will reduce or even eliminate migraines. To learn more about natural remedies for migraines and headaches, just click the link below this video.